Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to introduce you to my colleagues' final year project, Design and Development of Integrated Machine to Produce Useful Products from Paper Waste, which we have completed under the guidance of our professors. This is a mechanical engineering project. The video will introduce you to the different components of prototype and its working. The machine runs without electricity and it's completely manual. I suggest you to go through the video and then read the description to understand the idea. Let's start. Thank you friends for watching this video. Like and share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.